Viewers are watching World Plus News HD. The news edited by Pete Baba Sayyid Shah, according to the report of Cross Branch Asif Sahustra from Spain. As part of the annual URS Mubarak celebrations, a Gaddafi match was held in which Chaudhry Zainul Abidin Barait, Chaudhry Amir Nisar Barait and Chaudhry Adnan Gujar were Spain. During the match, the players of both teams showed their strength and intelligence. Due to the participation of national and religion players, a large number of Gaddafi lovers watched the match and cheered the performance, while the leading personalities of the local people were Chairman Jahangir Anjum, Hanja Chaudhry, Nisar Barait Chaudhry, Akib Hanjra Chaudhry, Shehbaz Barait Chaudhry, Maqsood Chadhar. Gujar made a special appearance and encouraged the players. At the end of the match, the cast distributed prizes to the winning team and the players who showed outstanding performance. You see in World Plus News, Ashley.
मेरा चौधरी सिकंदर